Good afternoon, everyone. Jonathan Davis here with Davis AutoSports. Excited to offer you guys a gorgeous 2001 Jeep Cherokee XJ 60th anniversary package. One of the most rare packages offered by Chrysler on the XJ lineup. This Jeep comes to us all the way from California. It is a Carfax certified guarantee Jeep, a flawless history, clean and clear title in hand in-house, with just 130,000 original and documented miles. For all you guys that follow us here at Davis Autosports, you know we specialize in the XJ. What we mostly specialize in are restoring them and also upgrading and building them. Rarely do we sell them in stock form. We've been getting a ton of requests over the years to sell more of them in stock form, so here's your chance to buy one. We are not going to modify this Jeep in any way, but we will still continue to fully service, recondition, and restore as necessary on this particular Jeep. So we'll do a walk around here in a moment, but like I said, 130,000 miles. What we're going to do to this Jeep, although we're going to keep it in stock specifications, we're still going to go through and redo everything on it to some degree. There's different levels of restoration and reconditioning that we do here. So we're not going to do a full restoration, but we're going to make this Jeep very, very new. With that said, one of the pre-inspections that we found out on it, and it's common with all 2000 and 2001 Cherokees, is the cylinder head has a slight crack in it. That's a common problem. A lot of people actually don't even know it. They still drive around with it. So this Jeep, engine-wise, is going to get one of our brand new complete engines in it. So you're going to have a brand new cylinder head, crankshaft, camshaft, pistons, all the rings, rods, oil pump, timing chain. Everything besides the block is going to be brand new in the engine. With our engine, we have a 5-year warranty on the cylinder head, and we have a full 1-year warranty on the entire internal of the engine. In addition to the engine, anytime we put a new engine in, we're going to put all new accessories around that engine. So it's going to have a all new coil and ignition system. It's going to have a completely new cooling system, new water pump, radiator, thermostat, housing, plumbing. We're also going to have a brand new AC system and heat system. It's going to have a brand new AC compressor, evaporator, orifice tube, receiver dryer, heater core, blower motor, etc. So everything inside the engine bay that cools it, both cools and heats the cab, all that's going to be all brand new. The exterior of this XJ is in absolutely beautiful, beautiful condition. I would never want to repaint something that has original paint that shows this well. We have not touched this Jeep since it's came in inventory, so we are going to keep the only once original paint, and we are going to fully paint correct the paint, although as you see, this thing is absolutely gorgeous. By no means does it need a paint correction, but once we're done with the paint correction, it will look absolutely like brand new paint. Any sort of small imperfections in the paint will be addressed as well. These wheels will stay on the XJ as they are part of the anniversary edition trim package. They're exclusive to this package. They fit the Jeep very well. In the listing, we will tell you for sure, not 100% sure in this video right now, but I'm pretty sure we're going to go ahead and put new rubber all the way around. And if you notice, this has a one size bigger than stock tire, which looks really, really good. We're going to maintain that look. Factory tow package. Keep in mind, guys, we have not touched this paint at all, and look how beautiful it is. All the color keyed fender flares and trim are perfect. The trim is not separating from the body. For the most part, the badging is in great condition as well. The wheels are also very clean. On the inside of the XJ, we're going to do a brand new headliner. The headliner is in good condition as far as the fabric goes. It's very clean, but there are some areas where it's starting to come off a little bit, which is very common. It is the original headliner. As of right now, being that we are trying to keep this thing very original looking, we are going to leave the factory seats that are also in very good condition. The side vinyl that usually rips here is not a problem. The plastic is very clean. Even the brackets are very clean. The carpets are very clean. We'll still do a full-fledged detail on the inside, but by no means does it even need one. Door jambs and everything are very, very clean. Door panels are very clean. So this really makes for a perfect XJ for us to keep original. How often do you see one of these with both keys, both remotes? It's 4-wheel drive. It does have the factory upgraded sound system as well. There are no odors, no issues whatsoever with the inside. You notice both of these doors do not have the common clicking that you get from bad door pins, hollowed out brackets, and bad door checks. The trim on the passenger side is just like the driver's side. No issues, it's not coming off. Now also, for anyone watching this video, it's our plan to keep this stock, but with all of our Jeeps, you as the buyer have the option of doing anything you want us to do. So if you have been seeking a Jeep like this, even though our plans are to keep it the way we are advertising it, you're more than welcome to request leather seats, the stage 2 package, stage 3 package, different wheels. So however we advertise it, you're more than welcome to make your changes to the Jeep. Take a look down that body. You do not find Cherokees like this. And this is 100% all original paint as well. The interior will obviously look better once we're done detailing it, but as you see, it is clean as can be. So as I mentioned earlier, the headliner is clean, but there's just a couple little spots right there, center frame, where the glue's starting to come attached. Now I do want to point out the only thing to really nitpick this entire interior on is the driver's seat. It does have the vinyl where it always cracks. If you're looking to maintain originality on this, we can replace this vinyl, and we most likely are going to do that anyways. And in doing that, if we're going to replace this vinyl, this part of the seat skin is going to come off, and we will rebuild this bolster as well. So I actually just made a decision. That's what we're going to do. So this Jeep will come with a brand new side panel and a rebuilt bolster as well. The interior is truly mint, non-smoker. So a quick recap on everything. 2001 anniversary package coming to us from California, 130,000 miles. It's going to have a completely brand new engine, new radiator, water pump, thermostat, all the plumbing, a brand new AC and heat system, new compressor, evaporator, orifice tube, receiver, dryer, condenser. That service alone, just that AC and heat service, please call any Jeep dealership in the country for that entire system. You'll get quotes probably up to $3,500 to $3,900 just on that one system alone. It's going to have all new ignition. Of course, we're going to go through, which a lot of this Jeep has already been tested and inspected, but all your window regulators are going to work, all your door locks are going to work. Every single component of this Jeep, like all of our Jeeps, is going to work. On the exterior, we're going to fully paint correct the entire exterior. We're going to look for any small tiny dings. If they're there, they'll be removed. If there's any panels that we happen to miss, that front bumper cap, for example, there's a center frame, there's a scuff on that cap, that will not be there when this is sold. So it's going to be a beautiful Jeep. It's starting off as a beautiful Jeep. We're going to make it that much nicer, and there may be some additional things that we're going to do as well. With all of our Jeeps, it's going to have a full driveline service as well. So for the front differential, the transmission, the transfer case, and the rear differential, those are all going to be opened up, drained, flushed out, inspected, serviced as needed, and refilled with synthetic gear oil, and with the transmission, proper components inside the transmission as well, filters, all that good stuff. Everything's going to be resealed. We're going to thoroughly inspect the exhaust system as well, and inside the listing we're going to note on there whether we're going to put a new exhaust system or not, and I'm pretty sure that we are. And same thing with the brake system. We're going to inspect the brake system thoroughly, and inside the listing, we shoot these videos well before the listing is actually done, so make sure to view the listing on our website or the eBay page, and if it mentions the brake system on there, that is what we are going to do. So this video is more of a overall visual condition report. Our website and our eBay listing, the build sheet on that is the final spec sheet that we are going to do on this Jeep. So make sure to go to our website, davisautosports.com, look at the build sheet thoroughly. This Jeep will be done by the second week of November. It's for sale now. The price advertised is the price with all the servicing and build that's going to get done. So it's for sale now. It won't be available for pickup until about the second week of November. We don't do these stock Cherokees often. I don't recall the last stock Cherokee that we sold. I think it was a red one with 36,000 miles, and I think that was in late 2017, maybe early 18. So there's a chip on the windshield. It's going to have a brand new windshield. It's also going to have a brand new seal. So this thing's going to be a beautiful, beautiful example. What we may do, just for safety reasons, is put brand new LED headlights in, just because these halogen headlights in these things are god awful. I don't even think they're safe. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. This thing's going to be as new as possible, with still respecting the originality of the exterior and interior. and hopefully we'll have some more that come around. If you guys have any questions, 855-XJ Jeeps. That's 855-955-3377. Thank you.